Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da.
Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. Today is going to be all about cleaning. I'm having my family over on Sunday for a little ugly sweater Christmas dinner, and I need to get this place spick and span. Let's just jump right into the vlog. So I got done with the dining room and the kitchen, and now we are on to my bedroom. We can just repeat it, and it expires just. Okay, so now we're in the bathroom, but it is not advent calendar time yet. That is for tonight. But right now we are going to clean the bathroom. Let's do this.
I'll just be watching you right now.
Okay. So.
Damn. I picked the right spot right now.
So I'm gonna clean the living room. Back in the bathroom, and that means it is advent calendar time. Today is day 5 of the advent calendar. So I can't wait to see what day 10 is, because that's a pretty big one. So can't wait to see that one. Diego's making noises out there, if you can hear him. He's like screaming. Okay, so day 5 is Soothing Coconut and Shea Facial Mist. I feel like there's like a theme to this, because I've gotten coconut and shea a couple times. Let's see, I'm gonna put it on my face now. And then it just says to let absorb. Ooh, this smells so good. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it here today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you will be notified when I upload tomorrow. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.